Hello. Welcome to Module 4, Authority is Constructed and Contextual. In this first section, we'll start with some ideas on the influence of authority. Information resources are drawn from their creators' expertise and credibility. They should be appraised based on the information need and the context in which the information will be used. Good thinkers view information and authority with a healthy attitude of enlightened skepticism, but also with an open mind and an appreciation for new perspectives, additional voices, and reconsiderations in schools of thought. Maintain that open mind when encountering wide-ranging and sometimes conflicting viewpoints. An information resource's context, its origins, its audience, the format, and how it is used, help to determine its authority and suitability. Whether an expert can be trusted depends on why the information is needed and who is granting their trust. Authority exists because a community bestows it upon someone. An expert can use any format or medium to communicate their ideas. Information is increasingly being built socially, and formats and mediums will continue to change. The reliability of an information source depends on your specific situation and the purpose of your research or the context of its use. This means that a source might be credible in one instance but not in another. You should locate the source with the greatest possible authority and credibility for your information need. Remember, using sources that are not credible reflects on your credibility and that of your work. Thus, determining whether a source is credible is important. Even if the source is not scholarly or peer-reviewed, is it still suitable for the project? Consider the context in which the source was produced, such as the identity of the author and the purpose, and the context of your information need. Authority can be understood as subject expertise. This includes scholarship or accreditations. Societal position, such as public office or professional titles. And special experience, this can include people who have participated in a historic event. Use the research tools and these indicators of authority to determine the credibility of sources. Make sure you understand the elements that might lessen a source's credibility. Be aware that many academic disciplines have acknowledged authorities, be they noted scholars or respected journals. These individuals or publications may set the standard. Yet, even their authority can be challenged. As you are developing your own relative authority, recognize the responsibility you have to seek accuracy and trustworthiness and respect intellectual property. When evaluating your information sources, consider purpose. What is the purpose of the information source? Is it educational or commercial? Is it trying to teach you something? Is it trying to sell you something? Is the information based on fact or opinion? Who is the intended audience? Authority. Can you identify the author? What is the author's background? This includes his or her credentials, education, experience, etc. Are the author's sources cited? Currency. When was the information published and or last updated? Reliability. For websites, will this information source still be available if you try to access a month from now? A year from now? Coverage. What information is included or omitted? Is the resource complete or is it still being constructed? Next time, we'll talk about critical thinking and introduce you to some advanced methods for evaluating sources. Until then, thank you for your time. If you want to learn more about the subjects we have discussed, this is the source used for this section.